Hello, good morning, children. This is MD Ramzan Beg. Today I am going to teach ninth class English. That is from second unit of lesson C reading. That is C reading. What is the name of that C reading? It is VVS Lakshman, very special. So this is about the sports, because the unit also given about the sports and games. That is why we are coming to that C lesson, VVS Lakshman, very special. Children, you know very well the cricket team, cricketers, players, and this VVS Lakshman. Who is VVS Lakshman and what is his speciality? This we are going to know. First of all, let me say you one point that this is the lesson of interview. So interview is also one of the discourses. From discourses, interview sometimes may be asked to you. So for that purpose, this interview is given to you, a well-known personality all over the world. So let us see. You take the textbook and see C reading. I'm going to read it out. All of you see them. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. This is the statement given first. I repeat that. Treat success and failure on the same wavelengths. That means success and failure, both we have to see on the same way. Then only it is a good personality. It is called. Sportsmen generally they treat it in the same way also. So good people, good character, good sportsmen, always they treat success and failure in both in the same way. Now let me see. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam. So this interview is taken by VV Subramaniam, and VVS Lakshman, he gives the interview, shares his feelings to Subramaniam. So what are his feelings? Let us see that. That means what is the key here? Self-belief. Only it is the main key for the cricketers or players. Without self-belief, there is no progress. There will be no success. One of the finest players is contemporary crickets has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket, that is Vangipurapu Venkata Swai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. So you know very well if you get that information. So this VVS Lakshman, his full name is given, and he led 2 series, 2 cricket tests here, and one is 2 Test series against New Zealand. He led the team, and he was a Hyderabadi. And next you see that the 37-year-old star batsman who was a part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team, shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. Sports Star is a magazine. To this magazine, he gave an interview. That interviewer is Subramaniam. So children, you also have to know that what is the Sports Star. So Sports Star is a magazine which covers all the games and sports of the world. So #1 Test team here. Next, let me come to the time. Now Sports Star asks a question here. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? First magazine that question. Then Lakshman says, it has been wonderful. It was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Jaki Syed Moinuddin Jaki from the under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade the same year. It was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. So he was at the close. It was a close time to play in Ranji Trophy and from Hyderabad. Who is VVS Lakshman. 16 years time and 18 years time. Fortunately, got lucky. Then you see, honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So 16 years, a long time. He contributed to the Indian cricket team, and his service also he gave to this time. Next, sports star asks, who has been the biggest influence on you? This is the question. Next, he said very simply, my parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabama. No doubt about that, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family. But the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. So success and failure both they taught this man as a young boy, as a young man, to treat these two things in the same way, success and failure. Next question, what did the sports teach you? Vives says character. So this is very important. What is the question here? What did the sport teach you? So sport teaches here a character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength, it also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. So because of cricket only he is in the some position, great position. So it taught him how to be balanced in the society, and that is why the position he took here, his position, his designation, his identification, all it came only by the cricket only. Next question, what was the most difficult phase of your career? He answers, it has been I had to prefer cricket to academics. I repeat, I had to prefer cricket to academics. That means he prefers cricket only, not the academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Toughest degrees of comparison. That adjective form is used here. Toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor. Coming from a family of doctors, because of doctors' parents or doctors, that is why coming from doctors' family, that it is very quite nature to become the doctor. But you say that. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle Babu Mohan was very crucial along with some of the coaches then. So one of his uncles, Babu Mohan, he played very crucial role, very important role to help to become in this career. Next, you see that sports star asks the question here: Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? A question asked. Frankly, he answers frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. So performance depending on performance only. The new cricketers, the people, the children, the young people, those are the spirit of playing cricket. That it is take them according to their performance only. And sports, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievement? Answer, my parents and my entire family again. He the credit goes to his family. They, along with my well wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed interest, irrespective of whether I was performing or not. So, family members and entire family members and some others, the well wishers, they they hope he would play nicely there. And his performance only, it was a very nice performance. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of what he says here. That means whether he plays good, whether or he plays bad. In these two situations also, his well-wishers encouraged him in the same way. What were your biggest moments as a cricketer? And he answers, there were many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number one team, being a member of the Indian team, which was world number one in Test cricket, was one of them. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2001 was another. That Test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, that Test series was very special for all the players, for it was also the best and the most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. Clearly, that was a turning point of Indian cricket itself. So he explained that the World Cup. So he had not played in World Cup, but he got the choice of playing the Test series, and so many matches he played there. Tests also played there. Next, you see that when you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? Then he says, it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav. My first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni, they all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. So all of they have separate planning, traits, ideas, plans for their leadership. So under this Saurav Ganguly, Dhoni, and with Sachin also he played. That is why he appreciated his seniors. That is a good character of the sportsman. Next is how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? PVS. I must say that the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright was influential, changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. For it was then that was started doing well consistently, especially abroad, and we had some amazingly talented individual with the hunger for success, who played with great pride, worked really hard, and showed great commitment levels. All these people they played well. All these people they showed great commitment levels also. And he also talks about their coach in abroad, how their coaching was given there, and how they were talented. All these share the feelings. Now SS asks, what has been your funniest incident on the field? PVS. Well, with a big smile that he says, when Saurav and I collided while taking a single in our ODI, that is One Day International. It is still amusing and embarrassing when I look back at as to how it could have happened. So when they dashed each other about that his experience, he told that. Next question: what was the most disappointing moment for you? He says there was nothing like that, but I would feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped a catch. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort. The chance is floored. That hurt me the most. So whenever he leaves the choice of catching the ball, he feels hurt because the hard work of the bowler. He knows that is why he feels sorry. Next, sports star. What are your hobbies? Answer is, I love to spend time with the members of my family. It gives us so much of peace. Do love reading biographies of successful individuals, for they help us know how they handled different aspects in life and in sport. That is why this is a good thing, reading biographies of the other people, great people. Why? Because individual biographies reading It helps the sportsmen and others also how to be confident in their career. Sports star, you are a complete family man now. Outside, you are a celebrity, and at home, a normal, caring father also. Then he says, I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well knit family, KNIT knit family, with a wonderful wife. And it is a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. It is a real joy to be with them. So, as a father, he feels like this. Sports star, who are the cricketers whom you admire? He answers, in my early days, Azhar, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Kapil was a great inspiration too. Next, sports star. What is your favorite cuisine? You have to pronounce like this here, cuisine. Cuisine, I repeat that. VVS, I am vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. This cuisine are my favorite. Then sports star, what kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? VVS says India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers, and I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own SP Balasubramaniam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. So he loved so much that Kishore Kumar songs and music and SP Balasubramaniam for Telugu. Next, SS. Which TV program do you love to watch? VVS. Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. And with the family members, I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I am amazed at the talent actually. So he said his feelings here. He enjoys watching the singing and dancing competitions programs. Sports. Who was your childhood here? Then previous childhood and current here hero. It is my dad only. Childhood and current hero is dad only. I owe everything to him. SS asks, what is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? VV says, I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. It's always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. I have two wonderful kids, and I am blessed to have such a family. So he loves his family. He had two kids. That is his great family. SS asks, have you given thought to post-retirement plans? VVS says, well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. I am confident of realizing this big dream. This is his opinion. He said that. So you can also read the meanings, children. And next class, let me come to the next video.